County in northwestern Arkansas until 1 a.m. Central
It
Daylight
extended
Time.
it.
At 12:24 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe squall line capable of producing tornadoes that may not be visible due to heavy rain was located near Northwest Arkansas Regional Airport, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat rotation. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations in or near the path include Rogers, Bentonville, Eureka Springs, Bella Vista, Lowell, Pea Ridge, Cave Springs, Highfill, Gateway, Beaver, Northwest Arkansas Regional Air, Miller, Centerton, Avoca, Hilltop, Beaver Lake, Walnut Hill, Vaughan, Monty Northeast, LaRue. This includes Interstate 49 between mile markers 79 and 93. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Tulsa.